Hey everyone! Imagine making $5,000 in just 1 week. That's what I did, and you can too. I used a tool called ChatGPT. It's a powerful AI that can help you make money. I'm going to share my secrets with you. Get ready for an exciting journey. Many people are talking about AI. Some people are scared of it, but I'm excited. AI is a tool. Like any tool, you can use it for good or bad. I choose to use it for good. I use it to make money and help others. In this essay, I will show you how to use ChatGPT. It's easier than you think. We will go step by step. You will learn my secrets for success. Are you ready? Let's get started. AI seems complicated. Many people think it's only for tech experts. That's not true. Anyone can use AI. You don't need to be a computer whiz. But there's a problem. Many people struggle to make money with AI. They don't know where to start. They get overwhelmed. They give up too soon. According to a recent study by the AI for Everyone Foundation, over 90% of people who try to use AI for profit fail. Why? They lack a clear strategy. They don't understand the power of the right prompts. But don't worry, I'm here to help. I'm going to give you the tools you need to succeed. The key to unlocking ChatGPT's potential is using the right prompts. Think of prompts like recipes. The right recipe will help you bake a delicious cake. The wrong recipe will be a disaster. Here are my 3 secret prompts. These are the same prompts I used to make $5,000 in 1 week. Prompt 1: Content Plan Mastermind. I want to create valuable content for your target audience about your niche. Please generate a 30-day content plan with engaging titles. Include a mix of blog posts, social media updates, and video ideas. Prompt 2: Sales Page Guru. Help me create a compelling sales page for an ebook on your topic. I want to highlight the benefits, address objections, and include a strong call to action. Prompt 3: Email Marketing Wizard. Write a 7-day email sequence to promote my new ebook on your topic. Each email should offer value, build anticipation, and encourage purchases. These prompts are powerful tools. But remember, tools are only as good as the person using them. You need to take action. Section 4. My $5,000 Journey, a Week of Action. Let me tell you about my $5,000 week. I used my 3 secret prompts to create a system for success. Day 1, I used the Content Plan Mastermind prompt to generate a month's worth of content ideas. Day 2, I started creating content. I wrote blog posts, recorded videos, and scheduled social media posts. Day 3, I used the Sales Page Guru prompt to design a high-converting sales page for my new ebook. Day 4, I finished writing my ebook using the content plan generated by ChatGPT. Day 5, I used the Email Marketing Wizard prompt to create a compelling email sequence to promote my ebook. Day 6, I launched my ebook. I sent the first email in my sequence and shared it with my audience. Day 7, the sales started rolling in. My inbox was flooded with notifications. By the end of the week, I had made over $5,000. It was an incredible feeling. I was amazed by the power of ChatGPT, but more importantly, I was proud of myself for taking action and making it happen. Section 5, Mistakes to Avoid. Don't fall into these traps. Now, I want to be honest with you. It wasn't always easy. I made mistakes along the way, but I learned from them. And now, I'm here to help you avoid those same mistakes. Here are 3 common mistakes to avoid when using ChatGPT for monetization. 1. Being vague. Don't be afraid to be specific with your prompts. The more detailed you are, the better the results. 2. Expecting overnight success. Building a successful online business takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. 3. Not providing value. People can spot a scam a mile away. Make sure you're offering real value to your audience. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll be well on your way to success.